video is going to be my first time doing my makeup. So as you guys know, I've been using, well, I was using Trey skincare. Stopped using it for a while just because like I just been lazy. So I have this mark right here, came from like a pimple or whatever. It ain't nothing because I wasn't using Trey skincare for a while. It ain't no specific reason, but I am going to use it again so my dark marks could go away again. Anyway, so I found this picture, or I found this girl. I'm inspired by her makeup, so I'm gonna just be copying like her makeup look. Shout out to Beats by Deb because she does awesome makeup. Then I just bought like a whole bunch of cheap stuff. I'm not interested in makeup or anything. Maybe one day, maybe in the future, but I know that I'm not good. So you guys could leave like advice down below what I should have did, because I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be knowing what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna use for my eyebrows is the Kiss New York. It's cheap, so I don't really care. I usually don't use this for my eyebrows. I usually use a pencil, but today we are gonna be using this. It's just gonna be kind of hard for me to do my eyebrows in the camera. I usually do them in the mirror, so I don't know if they're gonna look worse or I don't know if they're gonna look better, but okay. I have the worst like natural eyebrow shape ever. Y'all see how this one thicker than that one? That's why I don't use this. Okay, so I like this one better than this one. But with the concealer, we're just gonna disappear it out. Okay, so I have this one. Wait, is it concealer? This concealer, I don't know if it's gonna match, but whatever, y'all. It's just a practice. So. Oh my God, it's literally like, this is not a good brush at all. Makeup is like a super hard skill to do. That's why I would never do it. All the makeup artists is gonna come for me in the comments, but hey. Your girl is having a hard time. I need to make this one even. Okay, guys, so I just realized that my mom isn't here, so hey! So now I get to speak a little bit louder instead of keeping it on the low, you know, so. I don't know how to like even this one out. Like, I don't know. I don't get what the issue is. Like, okay, maybe I should do like just, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna just do the top and let's see, like, we're just gonna see if that helps or something. Like, it might be the top area, but I don't think it's the top area. But like, this eyebrow is nice. I don't like this one. I don't know how to like, I don't know like how to hold it up. Like, see, now my eyebrow don't even look even no more. Whatever, y'all. We just gonna keep on going. Cause this stuff ain't gonna, oh my God, y'all see that? Okay, y'all, so I'm about to like fix my eyebrow a little bit because is this even the right one? Hopefully I don't mess this eyebrow up. Shout out to all the makeup artists because this is something that I would never do. And that's just that on that. Yeah, at this point, like, just F it, girl, cause that's all. I got one of these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just blend it in. Okay, so I got the birthday cake palette. Yes, it was cheap. Makeup artists be like this. Just kidding. So I'm gonna start with this one, and I'm gonna use like this tool. I don't know what tool that y'all be using, but we gonna use this one today. Oh, I gotta make a circle. I forgot. Y'all, I think I'm doing. Look at my. Okay. Mine don't look nothing like hers when I be closing my eye. That thing look good. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Girl, who not a makeup artist? Who not? See, y'all don't even need like the actual tools. All you have to do is use your resources. Like, if this is gonna get the job done, then that's what you're gonna have to use. Okay, so we're gonna try to make them like a little bit more even, you feel me? You know, blend it out. If I'm doing it wrong, don't flame me in the comments, because I think my work look about good right now on the camera. But girl, in person, I'm probably looking like a ghost. Okay, so my head itch. The next color I'm gonna use is, what should I use? This one? Or, you know what? I'm gonna use both of them. Like, I'm gonna use this one and then I'm gonna use this one. Wait, which one did I say? This one. Ooh, sissy, this gonna look good. The next color, which is this one. Girl, she gonna be like, you did that, you did that for your first time. Okay, blending skills on what? It's on bleak. Okay, y'all, so the next thing what she did was she put like this white coating like over it or something like that. I don't know, but I bought concealer, so I guess I'm gonna just put that, like put a circle on my eyelid or something like that. I don't know what she used, but if it's concealer, then okay. And then she used like a tool like this. I don't know if this one is the right one, of course, you know, this the cheap kind, you know, she expensive or whatever, but I'm a little bit scared, because what if it mess up the makeup? Okay. Look, it look good from a distance, but I'm probably gonna look bad in the mirror, you feel me? Like, I ain't going nowhere anyway, so. basically what she did was like, she like basically like blended it out again, like up here. I don't know which color to use, but we just gonna use this one again. That do not look good. That do not look good. Okay, now I'm starting to, you know, like it again. I guess this is what it looked like. I don't know. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just put my lashes on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on or whatever. Okay, so I got 2 colored foundations. Y'all see that mix right there? I don't know what that is. This is the same one it is too, but they're different numbers. Wait, this is 345, which is warm coconut, and the other one is 340, which is caramel. I couldn't decide which one was my color. I don't even know if these are my color or not, but yeah, we just gonna work with it, you feel me? I'm gonna just try the 340. Makeup can really disappear a whole bunch of stuff. I wonder how the 345 is. I feel like this one is exactly my color. They kind of both look the same. Y'all be putting it on your mouth. That's what y'all be doing. Y'all be putting it on your mouth, girl. That concealer that I use for my eyebrows is like a little bit too light. Oh my god. I think I touched my freaking eyebrow. If I did, if I touch my eyebrow, bro, I'm gonna just go ahead and like just stop the video. Girl, I'm gonna kill myself over this freaking eyebrow. She put like some light stuff under her eyes. I don't know what that was. It looked like a type of powder or something. I have like powder foundation, so I don't know if that's what she used for under her eyebrow. But so like powder foundation. It was lighter than her skin complexion, so I don't know. I feel like this like just ruined everything. Yeah, I want to put on some blush. This not blush, but this is watermelon splash. Maybe I could use that and put it on my cheeks or something. I don't know. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get the darker one. I don't do makeup at all. Like, oh, it's probably gonna be clowning me. Like once this video like get them views up and everything, y'all probably gonna be like, what is she doing? Like, I think it don't look bad at all. So that was just time for like the lip part, and that's pretty much. Ooh, you know what? I forgot to do them little. What's them things on them wings? Girl, I forgot to do that. Use like some blush. Okay, I feel like my colors are a little bit off, like it's pink right there, a little bit red, but I'm just having fun and playing with it. And next I'm gonna just use my lip gloss. Y'all, you know what, I'm gonna just put some pink at the bottom. Okay, y'all, so this is my final touch. Like, this is it. This is all I'm doing. How do y'all think I did? Did I do a great job? Did I do a okay job? Did I do a bad job? Just tell me what you guys think. You guys can comment down, like, advice below. Comment what you think about my look. I kind of feel like I did that. Like, I did a good job, you know. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. And if you want me to do part 2 of like a makeup tutorial or second time trying makeup, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.